my sister fighting a dog for is she back? Maya, let go of the little shoe or she will bite you. Baby, you need to let go of the lamb. Can
you go get a tree or something?
Her face looks so cute.
Go get a tree.
Her face.
Get a tree.
So cute.
You should give me my stuff. Let me just go to myself then.
No, you're strangling her. Animal abuse.
Human abuse.
You know what? I'm gonna just say. Baby, do the treat.
Maya.
Oh. Soft duck bone.
No! Get it! Yes!
Yes, baby, come to me for fabulous treats. You aren't being recorded, no stress. Oh, she looks so happy. Let her outside to enjoy her delicious duck bone.
She just go back in. Wait, one sec.
She wants to go outside. Goodbye, farewell. Oh, how beautiful the little creature is.
Run around the block with a Glock.
Your ass gonna get shot.